If you like me, you might have noticed a new addition to WhatsApp, the Meta AI button. While it's a neat feature, not everyone wants it on the screen. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the Meta AI button on WhatsApp with a new update. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app, make sure on the latest version, as this method works with the most recent updates. Now go to the settings menu. You can do this by tapping on the settings option. Now tap on privacy. This is where you can manage most of your account's visibility and interaction features. Scroll down until you find Meta AI option. Tap on the Meta AI button and you'll see a toggle switch. Simply turn this off to hide the Meta AI button from your chat screen. After toggling off the Meta AI button, go back to your chat screen to confirm the changes. You should see that the button is no longer visible. And that's it. If you ever wanted to bring the Meta AI button back, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.